think social media, as it is said, is a double-edged sword. I never felt the need to disconnect myself from the internet, especially because internet can be used in the preparation very well. So earlier, if you had to read a topic, you would find a book and then go there. But now in the internet, I think you can just type it, you can Google it. So sometimes I was just walking and I just reminded myself that, oh, I'm forgetting something. I would just Google it and know that what is the right thing. So I think internet is something which can be very useful. And coming to social media, I was never a person who was addicted to it because I'm a social person in the way that I like to talk to people on the face rather than on social media. So that was not a very big distraction. But yeah, I was on Facebook, so I had to curtail from it. For the past 3 years, I've not been using it much. On WhatsApp, I was there. I used to talk to my friends regularly. But again, the timing, I had to be very cautious. So I had set a timer sort of thing in my phone that would tell me how many hours I have put for study so that I can just see through that what my day has been and where I can improve for the next day. So I think to analyze your own schedule is very important. Sometimes we tend to miss where our time is going. So a timer can be very helpful for that.
For watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon.